Hi guys, and welcome to Cooper's Keys. Before we begin this video, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys very much for 1,000 subscribers. So we're here now, and I want to try and make this channel even better going forward. I hope you like the new intro. I hope you like the new way of doing things. In this video, I have a special surprise for you guys, a special gift for you guys that you can get. Of course, we'll be going over the song "Great Is Thy Faithfulness," and I'll be breaking down to you. But more than that, I want you guys to get this chord chart, which I'm going to be using. I created this chord chart just for you guys. You know, I've called it a MIDI KK or MIDI KK for Cooper's Keys style because it's just something I thought would be very useful in terms of breaking down songs and explaining songs on the piano. By the way, I hope you appreciate the fact that I haven't shot a HD video in a while, and I'm doing it now because of you guys and the support that you give. And so if you want to see this channel grow further and you want to see me do some more high quality videos, some more videos of this nature, then I would like to urge you to show some support by going over and downloading for yourself one of these chord charts. It's very easy. In fact, if you stick around towards the end of the video, I will personally show you how to download this for yourself. I'll go to my website and I'll show you where to download it, where to access it from, and show you how it lives in your personal account page. But for those who are watching this video, for those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome to Cooper's Keys, and I hope you're here to stay. So let's begin with this breakdown, and I want to show you why these chord charts are so powerful and such a unique training tool for students who are learning, well, really gospel and jazz music, because this is going to give you the chord voicings. But more than that, this is going to let you take some of my chord voicings or just some of my chord ideas and apply your own voicings too, because as you will see, I'll give you a formula. I'll give you a method, a way of thinking about these chords that's really gonna help you, something I wish I had. Now let me explain how to read these. Of course, if you look on the chart, I have numbered your fingers the standard way, going from the thumbs as 1, and then we work our way outward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's pretty much standard. Now when you look at the chart, you'll see the light blue color towards the end. That's what your left hand is playing, and then the purple color is going to be the purple or pink. I'm really not good at colors, but purple and pink actually are going to be played by your right hand. Now I want you guys to these are suggested fingerings, okay? So you guys go ahead and use whatever fingering comes natural to you, all right? But I want to give you some suggested fingerings so you have a basic idea of how to play these, or a basic idea of how I play them. So and the good thing about this particular tutorial is I've given to you this song in 2 keys. So we start in the key of E flat, and I show you the song in the key of A flat, giving you some fresh ideas. It's not just merely transposing it into A flat. I've literally taken the same ideas and showed you some new chord voicings, some fresh ideas. But let's get started, because I seem to be talking quite a lot in this video, but I'm very excited. I hope it comes through. I'm very excited. I'm very grateful to everybody that watches, take some time out to watch these videos, and so I really want to keep on giving you guys really high quality content, better quality content than I have in the past, because the only way is up. Anyway, so it starts on a 5 chord, right? So 5 minor, and then the song begins. Okay, so this is going to be focused on the intermediate to advanced musician, but anybody can learn 1 or 2 things, because I'm giving you the structure, I'm giving you the method behind it. So if you look at your chord chart, it says 4 add 9 over the 5. Now the over will obviously go in the right hand because it's over the left hand, and the left hand will take whatever is next. So this is over the 5, right? So you play a 4 chord over the 5. This is what it looks like standard, but I've voiced it this way. So I've added the 9, and I've also added the major 7. And then the next chord is a 2 diminished, right, over the 5. You could have thought of this as a 4 minor, but in essence it's a 2 diminished because that's fuller. That gives you more room to play with. You can take that 2 diminished and play it in any inversion you want, and it's going to work over the 5, and that sort of sets up the song to begin the song. So let's do that together. So we have a, then it starts, great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness, right? with that melody note there. Number 2 chord, right? And now with these chord charts, you really have to watch the videos in order to fully understand what's going along. Unless you have a really good idea for what the song should sound like, then in that case you probably won't need to watch the videos. You could just download these charts and just learn from them, okay? So it starts with 4. I'm going again from number 1, okay? Chord 1. Sorry, so we have the 4 over 5. Then we have a 1 major 7. For the 3 chord we have here is just a 2 minor, okay? However you want to voice it. And that's the thing about writing the chords down this way, is that I've given you a suggested voicing, but on top of that I've given you the structure so you could change the voicing to whatever you want. The next chord on 5 is going to be a 4 over 5. Again, we've seen this before, different voicing. Again, a 2 diminished over the 5, we've seen this before. That's a 2 minor over the 1 to a 1. Okay, you'll notice quite often actually, before I go to the 1 chord, I always like to just pass over it with a suspended chord of some kind, whether it's a 4 or 5, before I resolve it to the 1. And this is kind of what I do here. I do it with a 2 minor, which is a relative minor of the 4, right? So it kind of works. So let's recap. Let's go from the start again. Intro. Great is thy faithfulness. Alright. So if you follow along with me into your chart, we're on chord 7. These are going to be passing chords, right? Into the 4, right? I have a 2 passing, 3 passing. Alright, and then here we have a chord which at face value looks kind of confusing. But this is actually a rootless chord. The root here is going to be a 7. So you may be wondering why I've called it a 7, sharp 9, flat 13. As a matter of fact, I shouldn't have called this a 7. I shouldn't have called this a sharp 9 flat 13, because I should call it a flat 13 sharp 9 because of the way they appear in the sequence. So if I have a 7 chord, right, my 7th note in E flat, by the way, just in case I forgot to mention, we're in the key of E flat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So the 7th note is D, so I'm basically playing a D7. Now like I said, it should have been, so a sharp 9 would be, a 9 would be E, sharp 9 would be F, and a flat 13 would be B, and flat 13 would be B flat, followed by my D chord again, and my sharp 9 right here at the top. But of course I'm playing without the root, and the bass player will take care of that business. So over here I'm just going to play what seems like a B flat chord, right, over some kind of a D7. Okay, but it sounds really cool. So let's repeat that again from the passing chords. And then we come down to this chord here, which is going to be a 3, right? Just a standard 3. Now when I'm going through these chords, I'm going to make certain assumptions. The 1 chord could be is major, the 2 chord is always minor, and so is the 3, right? 4 and 5 are major, 6 is minor, and 7 is usually diminished. But for 7, I think I will just mention it as we go along. Okay, I will just mention it as we go along, so I'll give you the chord as we go along. But 7 is pretty much the most mysterious one there. So let's recap from the passing chord, right? Alright guys, so here we are now. Let's find out, so how exactly do you get your PDF files? So you have to come to the Cooper's Keys website and log in just like this. Once you're logged in, you're inside the members area. This is cooperskeys.com, by the way. There's There's a lot of stuff on this website, but I don't want you guys to get muddled up with anything else that's because I teach offline students as well. That's what I do mainly. But if you come over here to the shop once you're logged into the website, if you do create a new username, you have to confirm your email address before you're let in. So that's if you create a new account and you're not let in, that's because you haven't confirmed your email address. And then come here for the Great Is Thy Faithfulness chord chart, and just go ahead and press the blue button, and you've got the right. So I've got it in my, I just need to go to checkout, and that's it. It's that simple. Once I've done all the bits and bobs, the download link will appear right after that. But if you've already got it, if you've already got the file itself, then just come over to my account. Now once you've downloaded it, once you've processed yourself through the payment, the secure payment, then you will get the link to it. But if you ever lose the download, it's going to stay permanently inside your account here, right under download name and files. As you can see, I've got the E flat, I've also got the A flat that I can download and just use straight into your account section. Feel free to snoop around the website itself and just give me feedback and let me know what you guys are up to. But yeah, I hope that clears things up, and I hope to see you guys in another video. And yes, I will be doing the full arrangement, so for anybody that doesn't get around to getting the PDF file, that's okay. I'm going to be doing a complete free YouTube tutorial where I'll go over all the chords anyway. But if you really want to grow and you really want to have something you can print out, write on, and you really want to internalize these chords, because that's why I did it, because I thought to myself, man, I really wish I had something like this. Instead of looking at chords in a video and memorizing them, you could look at them on a chart and see how they fit together, knowing the function of the chord, seeing it, and you can really study it. Anyway, that's enough. I'll see you guys in another video.